The content creation landscape has changed dramatically, and staying competitive means having tools matching innovation's pace. CapCut isn't just keeping up, it's driving change forward with features that seemed impossible years ago. This comprehensive platform brings everything into one streamlined interface, eliminating the need for multiple apps. The beauty of CapCut lies in its scalability, growing with you as skills expand. Start with simple cuts and transitions, then explore advanced features like masking and keyframe animation. Smart recommendations learn from your editing style, suggesting effects matching your vision. Performance optimization ensures smooth editing even on older devices, democratizing access to professional tools. Export options cater to every need, from high-resolution YouTube files to optimized Instagram stories. Analytics integration helps you understand which edits resonate, turning creative decisions into data-driven success. With CapCut, you're not just editing videos, you're building a brand and growing an audience. Access premium features at an incredible discount. The CapCut link and exclusive coupon code are in the description and comments. Like this video and subscribe for essential resources.